Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm your Crypto Baba, bringing new and exciting crypto projects every week. So let's get started with our today's alpha content, Magnet DAO. This project will be launching on December 31st, 5 p.m. UTC. So this is not yet launched, guys, and I'm bringing this to you guys first so that you guys can be the early investors in this. Also, just to emphasize more, check out my yesterday's video where I have provided details on a new crypto which launched today this morning, and it has done 20 to 30x. So if you guys want to know more about the new launches, please subscribe to my channel and hit on the bell notification to keep yourself updated with new and exciting crypto launches. So let's start our drill. Take a look at their website and docs and see what details they have for us here. So guys, actually before I dive in more, I would like you to know that I am not a financial advisor. Your money is your responsibility. Please do your own research. This video is for entertainment and information purpose only. This is their website, guys, and I have been doing some basic research, and so far with my understanding with this Magnet DAO is that they are trying to be a better DAO project when compared to other DAO projects and ring folks that are currently in market. They claim to be different because a lot of the time when you mint a token in different projects or create a node or create a brawn, that profit goes to rebase rewards, token buybacks, or treasury pool. However, the Magnet DAO team has come up with a mechanism where they will be using 10% of the bond profit to invest in different long-term quality crypto assets. So I guess this would help with the longevity of the project. And also this sounds like a venture capital fund to me. And the thing with venture capital fund is that, guys, they are only accessible by big pocket guys or whales, where people like you and me won't be able to access it. When I say venture capital funds or angel investors, I mean people who get chance to invest in IDOs, seed rounds, or private rounds when a project initially launches. And you guys know that seed and private round requires high investment for the development of the project, so people like you and I are left out. Now what Magnet DAO is doing here is that by investing 10% from their bond profit, they're basically trying to be a kind of venture capital fund for small investors like you and me. And this is the reason why I believe they stand out. Let's dive into their website. So Magnet DAO is a crypto incubator that uses its treasury to cultivate, incubate, and invest in early stage crypto projects. Overview: Magnet DAO is the evolution of the reserve currency protocol. The DAO uses its protocol controlled value to reward token holders with exceptional yields. At the same time, it uses the treasury reserves to invest in and incubate innovation projects. So it looks like this is a source of passive income. So this project would provide some passive income for us. Unlike first generation reserve currency protocol, the goal of Magnet DAO is just to grow its market cap and treasury from bonding. Instead, Magnet DAO uses 10% of bond profit to invest in high quality crypto assets, effectively turning the DAO into an on-chain venture fund. So this is which we just discussed. The DAO will also help incubate and build projects for the early stages, and all token acquired by the DAO will be owned by the treasury, creating exponential value and unmatched upside for investors. So this sounds like a launch pad to me. So this is good. Magnet DAO is the next stage of the tried and tested reserve currency model. While building a sufficient treasury is important for a protocol, the portfolio management of that treasury is equally as important. We are hyper focused on putting the treasury to use to generate returns, including building, incubating, and investing in early stage projects. opportunities that are typically not available to the average investors. Um, just like I said, guys, Magneto is trying to be, um, a venture capital fund for small investor like you and me. So that's what they have explained here. Let's go and check out their media blog. An introduction to MagnetDAO. MagnetDAO is developing an advanced crypto incubator. The goal is simply cultivate, incubate, and invest in a variety of protocols under the MagnetDAO name. So this is their media, guys. Let's see how big this is. So this is quite big. So I'll let you guys go through this document. But let me quick check what this is here. So MagnetDAO isn't just a fork of Olympus DAO. We are taking what was an incredible invention in DeFi and layering in a DAO that is hyper focused on building and incubating early stage protocols. We are adding a component to our treasury that with just 10% exposure can yield exponential upside. On the top of this, we are building a community of people interested in participating in the growth and development of new projects. So yes, guys, I mean, as we discussed earlier, this is basically helping the small investors like you and I to be to take part in IDOs or seed rounds. Basically, they would be taking the 10% from the brown profit, and they would be investing in new quality projects, or they might also invest in existing cryptocurrencies that has long-term potential. Let's hop back on their website to see what else they have here. So MagnetDAO looks like the symbol of the token gonna be MAG. Total initial supply is 10 millions. Chain Avalanche. MagnetDAO is our native governance token, which will be used to govern the DAO. The DAO will have voting power for major protocol decision and treasury management. This looks like they are giving the power to the community, so it's kind of a community driven project. So the other thing that I see here is that they are on Avalanche blockchain, and as you know, guys, Avalanche blockchain is the most accessible blockchain at this point in the crypto space. And moving on, let's see what they have in their tokenomics. So at launch, MagnetDAO will have a total diluted supply of 10 million MAG tokens, and they will be using 40% for the phase launch, 20% community offering, 20% team tokens, 10% liquidity providing, 9.5 marketing, 0.5 ops. Looks like they would have some competitions or some community giveaways in the future, as they have 0.5% reserved for airdrops. Let's keep on continuing. Roadmap. So they have checked a few of the line items from their to-do list, and we are currently at Q4. MAG token sale. Looks like they had a sale which have been completed now, and Q4 21 received Tier 1 audit for all smart contracts. Looks like they're gonna have an audit in future, like any other crypto in the market. And if I quick scroll down through their website, it looks like a detailed roadmap to me, which we don't see in other crypto projects. And I believe that should be it. Let's quick check their Twitter to see how many people are following this. They have around 13,000 people following these guys, and the first post that I see here is that sold out within 39 minutes. Public sale is now is now sold out. Oh, great. It looks like their public sale got sold out in just 39 minutes. That's great. And if I remember correctly, their public sale was for 10 million um, dollars. So yeah, that's really a big thing, a big achievement for these guys. And let's see what else they have. So basically they have all this basic information, and you can join their Discord from their website. I'll leave a link of their website and their Twitter on the description below in this video. So that should be it, guys. I'm happy that I was able to bring up this project to you, and just wanted to let you guys know that this is launching tomorrow, so be early and try to get good out of this. And before I leave, I would say that again, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is for information and entertainment purpose only. Please do your own research. Your money is your responsibility, guys. And thanks for watching this video, and if you liked it, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll keep on bringing new projects to you guys every week. Thank you.